Morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in a beautiful house downtown London. They're doing an addition. You can see behind me over my left shoulder, and we are going to do a flat roof over the addition. After we install the flat roof, they're going to put a deck. So we got to make sure whatever we install, we also have to return once they put the columns of the deck of the new deck they want to install. We got to roof those in and put a rubberized coating over the columns. So there's a couple different steps to this job. Today we're going to install the membrane and then return to rubberize the coating. So hope you like it. Again, this is an addition and we are going to put a flat roof on it. Hope you learned something. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. We've come up on the roof. You are standing inside the house. So through that doorway, this is going to be the deck. Beautiful scenery. You can come take a look. A beautiful scenery for downtown London. A beautiful deck to sit on. We're going to put the roofing membrane down and then they're going to put a deck on top. So we have a parapet detail here. We want to fully enclose that. We also have the wall Tyvek system. So what I want to do, I want to make sure our base sheet comes under this, so if water does penetrate the siding or whatever facade they have, whether brick, siding, stucco, it hits the Tyvek system, runs down and onto our roof, not behind the wall. So that detail is important. And then we have a drip flashing around the outside. Well, they'll probably put an eaves trough to catch the water. All the wood's done for us, so we're ready to go. We're just going to put a primer down. Without the primer, the base sheet's not going to adhere well. So we're going to put the primer down and base sheet. Show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. It's been a few hours, but we finished putting on the base sheet. You saw it's just wood. Couple of important details. We went underneath the Tyvek system. So whatever exterior facade they have out here, in the winter, this is going to hold tons of snow and water around here. So we want to make sure this is tucked behind in the proper watershed from the wall. We fully enclosed. We enveloped the parapet they have here. So now our waterproofing system runs up and over. Now they'll probably put a railing here, whatever system. This is fully enveloped. And we came over the fascia board. So we're gonna put in some metal flashing now, a drip edge there on that side, because they'll probably put an eaves trough. And then here they're gonna have aluminum siding. So we're gonna leave them 3/4 of an inch overlap with the drip edge so they can bring their aluminum siding up underneath and fasten it that way. So there we go. We have a door threshold here. There wasn't a clear idea of the plan on the drawing, so we ended up enveloping the full door threshold. So this whole system, if they get water on the door threshold, it'll shed back out and it won't leak through the wall into the kitchen below. So there we go. We have to prime it, put some cap sheet, and we show what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, we finished the job. Job turned out beautiful. I'm sure the client's gonna be thrilled. Now she can continue with her addition and have a watertight roof area. Again, this is a beautiful balcony that she's going to enjoy. Put a railing out here. There's a park here. She's really going to love it. We put a new two-ply system on. This is a door threshold. We sealed that off. We put a all sand sealant between the interior and exterior space. Put some granulars down. Also for the flashing details, it was important that we got behind the Tyvek system. Because what happened is if we went above it, water's going to shed and come over. This is properly tied in. We have the drip edge on the outside. There we go. I think the job turned out wonderful. I'm thrilled. She's going to love it for years to come. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to help. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.